Capture stunning aerial views and enjoy endless fun in the sky. The best drones for hobbyist pilots combine easy controls, stable flight, and high-quality cameras, making them perfect for beginners and enthusiasts seeking an exciting flying experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. X-Shop Hobbyist Drone. The X-Shop Hobbyist Drone is designed for enthusiasts seeking a complete aerial photography experience with convenience and stability. Featuring a 4.5-inch HD screen built directly into the remote, it removes the need for a smartphone, allowing pilots to view live footage and capture high-quality aerial photos and videos in real time. Footage is saved instantly to the included SD card, ensuring seamless storage without interruptions. A high-performance brushless motor ensures smooth and stable flights even in wind conditions up to level 6, making it ideal for both moving subjects and scenic landscapes. Safety is a priority, with automatic return to home triggered in case of low battery or signal loss. With two 1600 mAh batteries, the drone offers a maximum flight time of 60 minutes, allowing longer, uninterrupted flights without waiting for recharge. The drone is also beginner-friendly, with a user-friendly remote and easy-to-access controls, making it accessible for both hobbyists and experienced flyers. Its robust design and stable performance provide an engaging flying experience, whether for casual fun, capturing stunning visuals, or exploring creative aerial perspectives. Overall, the X-Shop Hobbyist Drone combines convenience, safety, and high-quality imaging in a single package, offering a versatile option for drone enthusiasts of all levels. Number 2. Potensic Atom Hobbyist Drone. The Potensic Atom Hobbyist Drone is a compact, lightweight, and portable option for drone enthusiasts who value both performance and convenience. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is small enough to carry easily and does not require FAA or remote ID registration, making it ideal for casual pilots and travelers. Despite its size, it is equipped with a Sony CMOS 12-megapixel camera mounted on a 3-axis brushless gimbal, capable of recording 4K/30 FPS video, providing up to 96 minutes of combined flight time, allowing extended aerial exploration without interruptions. Potensic's upgraded PicSync 3.0 transmission technology offers a maximum 6-kilometer signal range, ensuring stable, interference-free control and high-definition FPV streaming. Creative flight modes like visual tracking and quick shots, including pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, enable pilots to capture dynamic and professional-style videos effortlessly. Safety features such as enhanced GPS and auto return to home ensure the drone returns safely during signal loss or low battery scenarios. Its compact size, intelligent flight modes, and advanced imaging capabilities make the Potensic Atom drone a versatile and user-friendly option, perfect for beginners and hobbyists seeking a professional aerial photography experience. Number 3. LAKSAKI Hobbyist Drone. The LAKSAKI Hobbyist Drone offers a premium combination of 4K imaging, extended flight time, and advanced flight stability. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and 110-degree wide-angle lens, it captures high-resolution images and videos with rich detail. The 90-degree adjustable lens and 5G FPV transmission provide low-latency, smooth live streaming, allowing pilots to monitor and adjust their shots in real time. While the two included intelligent batteries provide up to 50 minutes of flight time and a control range of 1 kilometer. The drone is foldable, lightweight, and requires no FAA registration, making it highly portable for outdoor adventures. Intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Circle Fly enable users to capture professional-looking footage effortlessly, as the drone can follow movements, fly along set routes, or circle around subjects. Additional features like optical flow, altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key start simplify control, making it beginner-friendly without compromising on advanced capabilities. The LAKSAKI drone combines intuitive operation, long flight time, and high-quality imaging, making it a strong choice for hobbyists and photography enthusiasts looking for a reliable, versatile, and fun drone. Number 4. WeFone Hobbyist Drone. The WeFone Hobbyist drone is tailored for beginners and hobbyists who want a reliable, high-quality flying experience. Featuring a 4K Ultra HD camera and an 8GB micro SD card, it captures detailed aerial photos and videos immediately, with expandable memory support for longer sessions. The drone's 5G FPV transmission and built-in display remote allow for real-time, low-latency first-person view, eliminating the need for a smartphone and providing intuitive control. GPS-assisted navigation ensures stable hovering and precise flight, while the one-tap return-to-home function enhances safety by recalling the drone in case of low battery or signal loss. Powered by high-efficiency brushless motors, the drone achieves smoother, quieter, and more durable performance, with 2 rechargeable batteries offering a combined flight time of up to 40 minutes. Its foldable, compact design improves portability, making it easy to carry for outdoor adventures. User-friendly features like auto takeoff/landing, altitude hold, follow me mode, and headless mode ensure that beginners can fly confidently while experimenting with creative aerial shots. The WeFone drone is designed to balance performance, safety, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for those new to drones or hobbyists looking for a versatile and enjoyable flying experience. Number 5. PLEGBLE Hobbyist Drone. The PLEGBLE Hobbyist drone is a versatile, lightweight, and safe drone, ideal for hobbyists and young pilots. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and image stabilization, it delivers crisp, high-resolution photos and videos at 3840 by 2160, while the shock-absorbing mount reduces camera shake for professional-looking footage. FPV transmission with a 90-degree adjustable lens provides an immersive flight experience, allowing real-time monitoring of aerial shots. The drone's brushless motors enhance stability, efficiency, and wind resistance, ensuring smooth flight even in challenging conditions. Dual battery support extends flight time up to 32 minutes, and USB-C/PD charging ensures fast and safe recharging, with batteries certified for up to 500 cycles. Safety features include a child lock for controlled takeoff, along with propeller guards, making it suitable for indoor use and young pilots. Ultra-lightweight design under 250 grams allows easy portability and eliminates the need for FAA or remote ID registration. Despite its compact size, the PLEGBLE drone provides advanced functionality, stability, and creative freedom for capturing aerial footage. Foldable and easy to store, it's an ideal choice for hobbyists seeking convenience, reliability, and high-quality imaging in one package, providing an engaging and safe flying experience for all skill levels. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.